Buried beneath the layers of ice and time lie the remains of a world ruled by a variety of animals never before seen. The Ice Age wasn't just a frozen wasteland. It was home to towering mammoths, powerful cave lions, shaggy rhinos, and mysterious beasts long vanished from our world. Thanks to nature's own time capsule, the permafrost, some of these creatures have been preserved in extraordinary condition, offering us a direct look into their life over 50,000 years ago. Today, we're counting down 5 of the most interesting Ice Age discoveries that were preserved in the permafrost. Animals that changed how we understand prehistoric life. From baby predators to ancient grazers, let's open the vault of time and meet the rulers of the Ice Age. Coming in at number 5, we have a young woolly rhinoceros discovered in August of 2020 in Yakutsk, Russia, near the Tyithka River in the permafrost-rich Abuski district. This incredibly preserved calf is thought to be around 20,000 to 50,000 years old and likely died by drowning or being swept away during a flood. What makes this discovery so astonishing is its condition. Fur, teeth, horn fragments, skin, and internal organs were all intact. Woolly rhinos were cold-adapted megafauna with thick, shaggy coats and a prominent front horn used for cleaning snow to access frozen vegetation. They were herbivores that roamed the Mammoth Steppe, a treeless, grass-covered ecosystem that stretched from Western Europe through Northern Asia. This calf helped scientists reconstruct how woolly rhinos developed as juveniles, what they ate, and how their bodies were uniquely suited to the Ice Age climates. Its preservation is a rare window into the life stages of one of the Ice Age's most iconic animals. At number 4 is a discovery from the goldfields of Alaska, the famous blue babe, a steppe bison mummified in the Alaskan permafrost for over 36,000 years. Discovered in 1979 by gold miners near Fairbanks, the bison earned its name from the bluish mineral vivinite that formed on its skin during its time frozen in the permafrost. Blue Babe wasn't just well preserved, he was frozen as he was getting eaten. Claw marks and damage from the rear quarters suggest he was attacked, likely by a short-faced bear, one of the largest land carnivores in history. Steppe bison were powerful Ice Age grazers, sporting massive shoulder humps and thick coats adapted for life in the cold, windy plains of North America, Europe, and Asia. They played a vital ecological role, shaping the vegetation and supporting Ice Age predators like wolves, lions, and even early humans. The preserved tissue and injuries on Blue Babe have helped scientists understand predator-prey dynamics, Ice Age climate conditions, and even ancient DNA sequencing techniques. He's now on display at the University of Alaska Museum. On to number 3. In 2020, reindeer herders in Bolshoy-Lakoski Island in the Russian Arctic made a discovery never before seen, a fully preserved Ice Age bear. This specimen, estimated to be 22,000 to 39,000 years old, was found with soft tissue, fur, internal organs, and even its nose fully intact. Unlike previous finds that consisted of mere bones, this bear mummy allows us a full anatomical study. It's believed to be either a Eurasian brown bear or even an unidentified ancient species, potentially a unique population that adapted to cold climates during the late Pleistocene. Ice Age bears were versatile omnivores, feeding on plants, berries, carrion, and possibly even megafauna. Their large size and seasonal behavior, like hibernation, helped them survive harsh winters. This bear not only fills the gaps in our understanding of bear evolution, but also sheds light on how carnivores adapted to the freezing climates. The quality of preservation is allowing researchers to study ancient diseases, gut contents, and even climate markers within its tissues. At number 2, we head to the Canadian Yukon to meet Nunchuga, a female baby woolly mammoth found by miners in June of 2022, perfectly preserved in the permafrost. She's estimated to be about 30,000 years old and was roughly a month old when she died, possibly caught in a mudslide or flash flood. Her name, given by the local tribe, means big baby animal, honoring both her size and her cultural significance. Woolly mammoth adults were iconic Ice Age giants, standing up to 13 feet at the shoulders and weighing over 6 tons. Adapted to frigid environments, they had dense wool coats, fatty humps, and long, curved tusks for digging through snow to reach grass and even for protection. Nunchoga is the best preserved mammoth ever to be found in North America, rivaling famous Russian mammoth mummies. Scientists are using her remains to study mammoth biology, Ice Age ecosystems, and even the potential for de-extinction cloning techniques. This discovery also strengthened collaboration between indigenous knowledge and scientific research. And finally, number 1, two predators preserved in jaw-dropping detail, the baby cave lions, Sparta and Boris. Found just a few years apart in Russia, Sparta, found in 2018, is about 28,000 years old, and her counterpart Boris, discovered in 2017, is believed to be 43,000 years old. These cubs are so well preserved that their fur, skin, paw pads, teeth, and even internal organs are still visible. Cave lions were among the top predators of the Ice Age. Larger than today's African lions, and possibly lacking manes, they roamed the mammoth steppe and likely hunted in groups, terrifying young or injured prey like reindeer, bison, or even baby mammoths. Genetic studies suggest that they were closely related to modern lions, but had key adaptations for cold, possibly thick fur, shorter ears, and pale coats for camouflage in snowy landscapes. These cubs, frozen in place for tens of thousands of years, have provided DNA samples, developmental data, and crucial insights into Ice Age predator behavior. Sparta, in particular, is considered the best preserved Ice Age lion ever discovered, giving scientists unprecedented access to the life of an apex predator cub from an extinct lineage. These frozen wonders are more than just ancient corpses. They're messengers from a world once forgotten, preserved in stunning detail by nature's cold hand. They let us peek into ecosystems long gone and creatures long extinct. Thanks to the power of permafrost and the careful work of scientists, we are rewriting what we know about the Ice Age, one frozen find at a time. So which of these discoveries do you think is the most incredible? Would you bring any of them back if you could? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos of the prehistoric world.